Yo, let me tell you some real shit, though. I seen it on the grind, man. Y'all niggas up there hating, get your motherfucking bread up fucking with Shorty about that shit, yo. About that shit. Yo, I swear to God, I seen her. You talk shit, it's guaranteed. She sent your bitch ass straight to see me sister. Now listen, boy. Don't be thinking she ain't setting ether. She's on the grind, she got her mind right. Don't play it eagle. She play it strong, she got the eyes of a fucking eagle, heart of a tiger, and spit, you best believe her. I told niggas if you with her, you bump the lever. I told niggas I don't trip, she don't be smoking weed, bruh. She's on her shit, she's top notch, don't play that shit, D. Niggas talk shit, but I don't play. Did you get me? Spit it like a grown man, 27, and y'all boys still just playing, I seen her on the shit, yep, don't get it fucked up, cause shorty had your ass in the room, and yep, your luck's up. Listen, she thicker than a bowl of grits, ain't it? I told shorty, don't trip the picture, can't paint it. You're one of a kind, I meant that, and I ain't lying. It's night flames, and I ain't have to write on the line. I'm outside of the box thinking about Shaw, she hot, yup. But if you try it, you better not. Listen, she'll send your ass to the dock, and I ain't talking STD though. Send your ass ball from the knock you off your feet, yo. No game, and she bout that. That dribble game, she stalk that. Don't think she ain't bout that. That drama boy, don't start that. She'll call some real goons, and them goons be female too. Niggas talking shit, hold up them BBS, she'll get that too. Talk shit, cause we on it. Talk shit, you don't know it. I seen that and I'm in it, little shorty, yeah, you want it. Your swag never dribble, the swag never drag though. I don't play the radio, you're hotter than Drag's flow. Listen, ain't I spitting real shit about a goonette? I told shorty, listen, your truth, get your true, yep. Assisting, yeah, no game with no assistance, yeah. You talk what you seen, yeah, and then listen, that game she spit ain't fishy, yeah. Niggas won't get it, hold up and listen, she don't fucking care. That's all shit you can keep, boy. And I said that shit right here. Listen, ain't I spitting game from a female's version? Pimps, I get it, ain't I? I don't get cause I'm not a virgin. Listen, I tell them, this is real, no different versions. I told niggas I ain't playing, fuck that game, no flirt. Listen, that's some true, real gutter shit. And shorty been up on her gutter shit since a little bit, ain't it? And I'ma leave it like that. Some true facts, and that's the end of that, Jack. All your real bitches out there, man, get your bread up. I'm only calling you bitches cause I don't know y'all names all at once, so don't get it fucked up. I'm not disrespectful, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, though.